Hey, yo, 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 what's up? I'm not gonna sing it. Might as well just make a video. Boring one, like just walking around, you know? Some shit. Yeah, we're out in Sydney. Paddington, if you live in Paddington, well, chance to see me.
What?
Hello. How are you? Where's the boy? Is the boy coming?
Well, he'll drive around as soon as we get the bag.
Bet. Wait, why is it not moving?
Well, because
Moving.
painfully long trip.
And it moving, man. I said disco, do sit party. Disco, disco. Yeah, I said disco party, party. I said disco party, party.
But I loaded here. It goes.
Can I show some? Look at this. Shit, bro. We'll try again. 3, 2, 1. Back. Oh my god. I'm back. Shit. Bro. Come on, bro. Yes, I did it. You heard it, right? You heard it, baby. Sorry. I say disco, you say party. Disco, disco, party, party. Son of a... What the hell? Huh? How do they do that? Wait, did you know that? Oh my god, I got a chance to win $1 million. I tried that. Exactly, I couldn't get it. So cringe. I said disco, you say party. Huh? I'm obsessed with this song, man. Oh my god. I'm obsessed with this song, bro. Dude, there's no way that's my teacher. There's no way. There's no way that's my teacher. There's no way. I said disco, you say party. Dude, no. That's a dude. You know, Busha, if you look at my channel, you see the school uniform below? Bro, Busha, that kid wearing a blue shirt. I'm like, oh my god. Bro, oh my goodness. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let me go in here real quick. I'm gonna say something. I said disco, you said party. Disco, disco, party, party. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. If you guys want, there's a QR code. Win $1 million. Apparently, win $1 million in the airport. Sydney Airport. If you go to Sydney, live in Sydney, scan that QR code. Type in your plane details. You can probably win $1 million.
This is making Jetstar look good.
Jetstar sucks either way. It's like the worst thing ever.
We actually had a really good flight with them last week.
They
Gold Coast, they were on time, and it was good.
They didn't give any food. That's the only thing. Jetstar gave food, and they had charges. If they do have charges, if they had charges and gave food, then I'll definitely fly Jetstar. First class, bro. Dude, she literally fell over nothing. Why is it money here, bro?
This is pathetic.
She literally tripped over nothing. That little girl of it, she tripped over nothing and she fell. What the fuck? This is dumb. My goodness, can this bloody thing work, man? Can this thing go work? Bro, we're gonna be here for so long, time. I said disco, you say party. Disco, disco, party, party. Son of a. Son of a. Son of a. Dude, why is it not working? Thank God! God. Why does it sound like a spa just happened over there?
It does sound like a spa, doesn't it?
Secret room! Bro, you are not messy Steph Curry. Get your crazy tasty Google Chrome. Get your crazy, tasty, macy Google Chrome no home. That kid needs to get his crazy, macy, tasty Google Chrome no home flip phone disowned, dude. I can't say this for bro. I don't know. That kid needs to get his crazy, macy, tasty Google Chrome no home chip. Dude, I am so annoyed about this baby needs to get his Google Chrome no home. This baby needs to get his the shut your crazy macy tasty Google Chrome no home flip phone disowned. I don't know. That baby needs to get his that baby needs to get his crazy macy tasty Google Chrome no home flip phone disowned ice cream cone chicken bone. Oh hell no. Where's my bag? Where's our bag? Where's our...
Be quiet, please.
Supposed to be running. Okay, I'm actually fucking shit. She needs to get crazy tasty. She needs to get a crazy macy tasty Google Chrome no home flip phone disowned ice cream cone Google Chrome no home ice cream. Oh my god. Get your crazy macy tasty Google Chrome no home flip phone disowned ice cream cone chicken bone. Ooh, what's bad? Oh, yeah, bad. I know what our bag looks like. Oh my god. Get your crazy. No, don't go there. Oh my god. Cannot speak. Dude, they can just go. Pretend you guys to the bag, like I'm gonna throw you guys. They're literally like this. They just throw it onto the conveyor belt. They're like, and it's what's up. They're like, and then it just perfectly lands on there. Like, what the hell? How, buddy boy? How? That looks so getting close to the camera. It's pretty stupid. It's stupid. Pretty stupid. Pretty stupid. Sorry. Okay, actually, yeah, let me shut the fuck up. Let me shut the actual fuck up. Oh my god, get the place like this. Oh no, flip phone, this on ice cream bone. Chicken bone. I said disco yourself, but disco. Disco. 1, 2, 3, 4. Disco. It's 2 each. Oh my god, it's a bag. Nope. What the hell? They put a baby thing on there, bro. Who the hell would do that? Mom used to do that. Don't judge me, man. Tasty, beautiful, ice cream, chicken bone. Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell, man. What the hell? Oh, hell, man. What the? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm still waiting for the bloody bags. Hopefully they'll be out soon. It's just been worst flight. Honestly, shit.
How?
Okay, I'll give you a call when I get the bag.
I said disco, you said disco. Oh, what's a bag, man? And the bag shall be coming through in a second. Now. Yeah, Beth, what are you gonna do about it, man? Okay, probably soon. Don't do that. Can we get to 50 subscribers first? Thank you. It's probably never gonna happen. Oh, this one is boring, man. Like, the people who like and subscribe are literal goats. They're church. luggage. I say disco, you say party, disco, party. Shut up. Shut up. There's a ticket again. Ticket for an $1,000,000. I say disco, you say party, disco, party. Say party, disco, party. So I say disco, you say party, disco, party. Disco, you say party, disco. Whoa, did they forget our bags? Did they forget our bags? Oh, sorry.
Likely. Probably next. Probably lose the bag now.
No. We're not losing our bag today. We're not losing our bag today, bro. That one bag going around. Where's my owner? That one bag going around. Where's my owner? Crazy, bro. I said, disco, you said party. Disco to party. Where's my owner? That. Chad, where is it, bro? Lacey, thanks for the 50. I'm just kidding. You did not done anything. Lacey's money. Lacey is not in here. I swear to the God. Oh shit. I said disco, you said party. Disco to party. Son of a. Dude, that's one bag. Just get rid of it, I'm gonna sit down, bro. It's been 10 minutes in. More like 13 actually. So you guys are still here? I don't even know how to I said disco, you say party. Oh my God. 13 minutes, I did not have the patience for that long. I said disco, you say party. Disco to party. Wait on, please. Did they forget to place our bags again?
I have no idea.
There's no bags coming through. What the hell?
It's probably on a different carousel and they've stuffed it up.
Are we on number 3?
Well, we meant to be, but
Are you sure? You sure? Get on the serious. Dude, I swear to God, if we lost our bag, oh hell no, bro. Dude, there's no way we lost our bag. Why are we on baggage 3? Why are we on lane 3? Why are we on lane 3, bro?
tells you which flights. Will say what flights
Oh,
and the luggage coming on which number.
okay. Oh, I swear to God, bags are not coming in, bro. There's no bags coming. There's no way. There's absolutely no way. There's absolutely no way there's no bags coming in. There's absolutely no way. I literally see bags not coming through. It's broken. The motherfucker's moving, motherfucker. Don't use this very much. I want to get first right now, but Manga. Gotcha. Can't wait this long, bro. My battery's about to die. If my phone shuts down, it's probably because of my battery. If my phone shuts down, it's probably because of my battery. Because I'm at like 19%. I said this way. Okay. Finally! Yes! It's working. Finally! What? It's working. Don't tell me they just trolled us. Don't tell me they trolled us. There's no bag on us. I said, just go to your safe party. Just go to party. I said, just go to your safe party. Just go to your safe party. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. I say, disco, you say party. Disco, party. I say, disco, you say party. There's no way about it. What, is it over there? I swear to God. No, it's a square. It's a freaking square. It's a square, bro. It has to be like a roundish square. Pretty much. Pretty much. I said, disco, you say party. Disco, the party. Steph Curry there, bro. Come on now. Come on. Get the motherfucking touch. There's that bag. Right there. Hey, shit, let's go to your sleep party. I said, disco, you say party. Disco, the party. Said, disco, you say party. Disco, party. There's that bag. Is that it? So I must be living in from now on. Oh my God, bro's living in, man. I say, disco, you say. Disco, the party. Oh my goodness, where's my dad?
I have a very bad feeling about this.
Why? No, don't. No, it stopped. No.
Very bad.
No. Did we miss our bag? We did?
No, I don't think it's even come on this flight.
No fucking way. Oh shit, we are the last ones. No. Don't tell me it's that awesome.
I think they've lost a fucking bag.
No, they did not. Bro, this is such a lucky video if you see this right now. We have lost our bag. I was about to make a good title from now on, bro. Is it coming? There's no fucking... The vibration's good, Bubba. Oh, good. If you see my, If you saw my neighbor's video, one of them I didn't have a voice. I think if the second one didn't have a voice, I want you to come. If all of them didn't have a voice, then I want you to spam W's, right? Spam D if it spam D if spam D if two of my videos had none of my voice in it. Dude, no. No, they didn't. Don't tell me it's fucking awesome. gonna do about it now? I actually might have to call 911. No. Dude, you actually better call the cops. You actually better call the cops. I'm keeping an eye on that trim, bro. I'm keeping an eye on it. Oh, that's so fast. It's coming! There's a bag. Oh. No. I'm keeping an eye on it, bro. I'm keeping a freaking eye on it. Let's go. Bro. You gotta be serious, is that? No, that's like the worst thing to happen, bro. That's the worst thing to freaking happen. What are we gonna do, bro? I'm checking on them. I'm checking on every single one of this, and if there's anything coming. Someone coming.
Hi. Our luggage is here. Is there anything going on that looks like yours? No, nothing.
Sure, I've got battery. I'm gonna have to end it soon. Once it gets like to 5 or something, I'll end it. So, once I get to like 5, I'll end it. Oh my goodness. Dude, she says it's coming in right now. I'm running. Straight up running down that shit, bro. I'm leaving my bag. I might not leave my bag, but I said, disco, you said party. Disco, party. Oh my goodness. Nope. 478. Wait, what number though? What number? 3, 4, 5, 6? 6, 7? 6, 7, 6, 7. Oh. 20 minutes? 20? Bro, no. Mommy, can you take my bag? Can you take my bag, please?
Hi, they've lost my luggage.
It's coming in 20 minutes actually.
So it's coming. If you want to go home, just go home. And I'll
Take
get
it.
a taxi.
This way.
I've got to wait.
Oh, we fell. Put that off. Got it. Come on. Got it. Let's go get something. Why can't we get something?
At some point we're going to get home. God knows when.
Nighttime.
Oh,
Bro, I'm gonna be so tired. Admin abuse is happening tonight as well. Great, now I'm gonna end up in the morning.
sorry. No need to be cranky, as you can tell.
Well, at least we didn't lose our bag.
Well, I guess you're right. That is, yes. Gosh, you're like your dad. That's what your dad would say.
And I have to get up at for the admin abuse this morning. And it's not even the Taco Tuesday for 7. It's like the AMs. It's like the AMs one. I'm gonna be fucking tired tomorrow. I'm gonna be lashing it. Don't worry.
Right, let's go and have
Oh,
a
you're lashing.
We've got another 20 minutes.
Why don't we just try and get that air track thing? Why don't we get that?
You can't go back into the terminal from here.
Oh, I need the toilet anyways.
Do you?
We'll find one. Take it back. Take my bag. I'll go find one. I'll go find one. I found one. Hey. I got it with my phone. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to pause it once I get out. I'll see you guys soon.